Good morning, YouTube. Man, is it freezing this morning. As you can tell, I didn't finish what I was planning on doing yesterday. I had to do work and things don't always plan out to what you want to do, so try and get this stuff done today. But have you guys heard of Robinhood Trading? The app that you can go on your phone and you can do different things. Have you guys heard of Robinhood financial trading app? Man, they just put a game changer in the market. They do fractional trading now. If you guys haven't heard of it, I'm gonna leave a link down below. Go ahead and sign up for it. It's my personal link. Whatever you guys subscribe to that or sign up for that, you get a stock for signing up, and I get a stock, so just a disclosure. But yeah, man, I've been starting to trade stocks for the last month now. I wanted to make my money work for it, so I started messing around with it. Started doing a lot of investigating and trying to figure out what stocks to buy and doing a lot of research on it. Anyways, they came out with a thing this morning. It's in beta, which is fractional trading, which a lot of people don't know. Fractional trade, you can buy a fraction of the price. So you can start off with $1 instead of buying a stock like Apple's like $237. $237 all up front is a lot to people. So they did a thing now where it's fractional trading. You can buy it for just $1, a fraction. You start off with $1. It's in beta, like I said, but sign up for it, see what you guys think. Let me know if you guys think it's gonna be a game changer. I think it's going to be, because I like Robinhood. They've had a lot of issues in the last couple of weeks from people buying stock and selling it, buying it, selling it, and getting marginal credit for it. And one guy ended up owing like Robinhood like $300,000 or some crap. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about it. If you guys are interested in trading stock, I'm gonna do some more videos on that, on my portfolio, what I trade in. Like I said, I'm a newbie. I'm just starting out. I wanted my money to work for itself. Instead of putting in a savings account, which you get 0.001%, you can actually save for retirement. You can do a Roth IRA. So a lot of different things. I'm gonna have a couple of different apps that I'm gonna show you guys to use for that. But like I said, let me know what you guys think of the new Robinhood fractional trading, and we'll see you guys in the next video. By the way, I'm gonna continue to work on the new YouTube studio / my office, and stay on the lookout for that video. But catch you guys in the next video, and make it a great day.